Hello racers, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to do part 4 of the Mini-B series, and in this video we're going to test a new motor for the Mini-B. This is the JR's Choice 42 turn, and we're going to install that with a new aluminum motor mount. Now, just to reflect on the previous videos in this series, video 1 was the unboxing and test. Video 2 was the setup. So if you want to go back and see the setup I'm using, it's in video 2. And in video 3, we tried to get some more power out of the Venom Fireball, and we found this motor was a little bit too low a turn, too high a RPM for the stock motor mount. So I purchased this motor mount. Now it's just a low cost mount that I bought. Let me take a look at it. And the reason I got the motor mount was so I would be able to put the motor in the mount and be able to slide it and change different pinions. That was the problem with the other mount, is that it doesn't have a whole lot of options for pinions. So I got the motor mount. We'll install that. We'll install it off the video. We won't waste time doing that, but let's take a look at the JR's Choice 42 turn motor. Now the motor that's in it is a 47 turn. So the 42 turn should be about 1,000 RPM faster. And that's what I wanted. Oddly enough, it's branded Spectrum. This motor comes included with the Junior JRX2, the Mini JRX2. Take a look and see what we get. We get the JR's Choice. Says on the side, 280 brushed, 42 turn motor. Comes pre-wired with the little capacitors on it, ready to go. And just to compare that to the Fireball, they are identical size, slightly different venting. There's no vents from what I can see on the 280. So what I'm going to do is just oil up the motor. I'll break it in a bit. I'll show you how I'm going to do that, and then we'll cut the video and I'll present how the show the parts installed, and then we'll have a video at the end, where I'll put a video at the end of how this made out in a race. So I just oiled up the bushings front and back. This is a brand new motor that has not been run. And off camera here I have a little variable power supply. I'll just move this car out of the way. We'll bring in the power supply. Now I'm going to run it at 2 volt for a short period of time. Now on the motor you can see that there is a red side and a not marked side. So the red side corresponds to the red wire. The black side is unmarked. And what I'm going to do is just let this run. You can hear it's barely going. I'm going to let it run at 3 volt. You can see in the camera here, 3 volt, and I'll let it break in for about 10 minutes. So I won't bore you with that running, but you can hear it running away. I'll let the brushes break in, and then while that's breaking in, I'll get the motor and car ready to be installed. Okay, so we'll see you in a few minutes after this is all done. And we're back from a successful race day. Took the battery out of the car, sitting on my little discharge unit that I got set up for it. And I wanted to show you the JR's Choice motor installed in the Mini-B. This is the motor that comes with the Mini JRX2. Here is that aluminum motor mount that I installed, so I was able to adjust. You can see the slot there. So I'll be able to adjust the pinion mesh and change different pinions for this car. And while I was at it, I did move the shocks from the front of the arm to the back. You can see them on the back of the arm now. Just did that to make it easier to get at the slipper and pinion. You can see I moved it. And I also moved the shocks from the inside hole to the outside to give it a little bit more support in cornering. So how did the Mini-B do with the JR's Choice motor in it? Well, it did go faster in the infield. It pulls a little bit quicker out of the corners, but it's still lacking the top end speed that I wanted to get for my Mini-B. So I'm going to still continue to look for a brushed motor that has a bit more top end speed for the straightaways. It's had a successful night racing, qualified for the A main, and keep watching the video and you'll see the performance of the car and how it finished in the end. Thanks for watching. So if you like this type of thing, click like. If you have any questions or comments about the Mini-B, feel free to comment and subscribe to see more Mini-B videos. See you in the next one. And now, let's see how this thing does in its race tonight. Everybody ready?
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, first, second, fourth, fifth, third, first, second, fourth, fifth, third, first.
Oh, we got a car upside down.
Second, fourth, third, first, second, fifth, fourth, third, first. After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are marked in first place, followed by Kyle in second place, followed by Greg in third place, followed by Gordo in fourth place, followed by Rob in fifth place. Fifth, fourth, second, first, third, fourth, first, second, third, fifth, first, second, fourth, third, fifth, first, second, fourth, third, first, second, fifth, fourth, third, first, second, fourth, fifth, third, first, second, fourth, fifth, third, first, second, fourth, third, fifth, first, second, fourth, first, fifth, third. After 3 minutes, the top drivers are marked in first place, followed by Greg in second place, followed by Kyle in third place, followed by Gordo in fourth place, followed by Rob in fifth place. Second, fourth, first, second, fifth, third, fourth, first, second, third, first, fourth, second, third, fifth, first, third, first, fifth, fourth, second, first, third, fourth, fifth, second. 2 minutes left. First, third, fifth, fourth, second, first, third, fifth, second, fourth, first, third, fifth, fourth, second. After 4 minutes 30 seconds, the top drivers are marked in first place, followed by Greg in second place, followed by Gordo in third place, followed by Kyle in fourth place, followed by Rob in fifth place. First, third, fifth, fourth, second, first, third, fourth,
Got one upside
fifth,
down in the middle.
second, first, third, fifth, 1 minute second, first, fourth, third, second, fifth, first, fourth, third, second, fifth, first, fourth, third, second, fifth, first, third, second, fourth, fifth, first, third, second, fourth, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, first, 5, 4, 3, 2, second, 1, fifth, third, fourth, first mark done. Second Greg done. Fifth Rob done. Fourth Gordo done. Third Kyle done. All drivers are finished. The race is completed.
Oh yeah, try this. Yeah, good. When I hit the straight, you don't know where it's going, just so you know.